This is a home screen where the whole class is kind of in the front page. You can see there's the whole class as well as each individual student. Each individual student has their own avatar. This is this little monster right here that they will eventually be able to go in and they'll get to change that from time to time. What's going to be most important for you at this point is connecting yourself to your child's class. What will happen is your teacher will give you a printout with your child's name. So you can see on this one, this is Kelsey A's parents, and it has the instructions. You'll first download the app, the Class Dojo app. Then you'll open the app and select parent, and then you'll enter this code right here that is just connected to your child. Please note that this code will expire, and if you lose this code, no problem. Your teacher can just download and give you the form again. We're going to go in and dig a little bit deeper as to why it's so important for you to connect to your child's class.